Hola amigos! Welcome back to another episode of Eating with Andy. Today it's all about Huancaina sauce. I'm gonna be showing you 3 different ways you can use this versatile and delicious sauce. Fettuccine with steak, mac and cheese, and as a dip. Arrives to Peru with Italian immigrants, and I'm actually half Italian, so I've grown up eating a lot of pasta with a fusion of Peruvian ingredients. First things first, make your Huancaina sauce. To get the recipe, click on the link above. I like to use fettuccine because it's a whiter pasta and that thick sauce will coat all of it beautifully. But you can use any type of pasta you like, even gnocchi. Start by cooking some fettuccine, as per packet instructions, al dente. Drain and stir some butter through. I've got some scotch fillet, which I've brought to room temperature. Season with salt and pepper. Add some oil on medium-high heat. I will cook it to medium rare, so 3 minutes on each side. You can use your favorite cut of meat and cook it to your liking. Lamb goes really well with this dish too. Loosely cover with foil and let it rest. While your beef is resting, heat up your Huancaina sauce and add some evaporated milk or cream to loosen it up. Stir through some parmesan cheese. Keep adding milk until it's nice and creamy. And serve up. Top with some more parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. Wow, Huancaina sauce and pasta, it's a match made in heaven. Cheesy, slightly spicy, also creamy, and with that steak, perfection. That was our fettuccine Huancaina and steak. Now onto our second dish, Huancaina macaroni. It's a mac and cheese with a Peruvian twist. Heavily salt your water and cook your macaroni pasta as per packet instructions. Drain and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Heat some of the Huancaina sauce on low and add some evaporated milk to thin it out a bit. Add the macaroni and stir through with some parmesan. Place into an oven-safe dish, top with more parmesan and bits of butter, and put it under the grill on high for around 10 minutes or until golden brown. This is comfort food at its best. Cheesy, slightly spicy. It's got that beautiful flavor from the yellow chili coming through, and that really nice crispy parmesan gratin on the top. A bit of freshness through the parsley. This is a mac and cheese with a twist. And finally, the easiest way to use this sauce is just as a dip. This dip is most commonly served with yuca fritas or cassava chips, but this really goes well with a lot of things, especially potatoes. Serve it with wedges, chips, potato gems, any form of potato you like. Today I'm using these little potato balls or pommes, and I've just baked them in the oven, put them in a serving tray, and I've placed my Huancaina sauce as well in a little bowl. You don't have to add anything, just serve it as it is. Those potatoes are so crispy, they're still soft in the middle, and that Huancaina sauce so thick and luscious. This is perfect for parties. That's it for today. I really hope you've enjoyed my Huancaina sauce 3 ways. This is such a delicious and versatile sauce that goes well with almost anything. Let me know in the comments below what you'd make with this sauce. Adios, amigos!